Hi, welcome back. In this class, we are going to deal with types of problems. In bolted connection, we come across three types of problem, that is determination of bolt value, efficiency of the joint, and eccentric bracket connection. In this session, we are going to discuss with determination of bolt value problems. Before going into the numericals, we should know the procedure for better understanding and better solving. Okay, if we come to the procedure of determination of bolt value, first read the problem and gather the data like diameter of the bolt, then diameter of the bolt hole d naught, that is equal to d plus 2. This will be the bolt allowance, bolt hole allowance. Then thickness will be the least value. How? If it is a lap joint, then you need to take least value of the two plates. If it is a butt joint with the cover plates, then you need to take the least value of the main plate or the sum of the cover plates, whichever it is less. Then once you gather the data, then in that first step is calculation of shear strength. If it is a lap joint, Nn will be 0, Ns equal to 1, Anb will be equal to 0, Asp equal to pi d square by 4. Okay. Then if it is a butt joint, then Nn is equal to 1, Ns is equal to 1, Anb is given by pi by 4 into d minus 0.9382 p whole square, Asp is pi by 4 into d square. Then Vnsb is given by Fu by root 3 into Nn into Anb plus Ns into Asb. VDSP, that is design strength of the bolt, is given by VNSP divided by gamma MB. Then second step, bearing strength. First we need to calculate KB. That will be the KB is given by E by 3D naught or P by 3D naught minus 0.25 or FUV by FU or 1. We need to calculate all the four things and we need to take the least value out of these four. Then VNPB is given by 2.5 into KB into D into T into FU. Then VDPB, that is design bearing strength of the bolt, is given by VNPB divided by gamma MB. Then we need to note that gamma MB is the partial safety factor. We are going to take it as 1.25. Then the bolt value is given by, it is the least value of shear strength and bearing strength. So with this basics and the procedure, we are going to solve the numerical problems. Let us start with numericals. Just I will explain what it is, then we are going to solve the problems. Bolt value, or we are going to call that one as strength of the bolt. The least strength of the bolt in shear and bearing is called the bolt value. Shear strength of the bolt, design shear strength VDSB is given by VNSP by gamma MB, it is given in page 75. Gamma MB is the partial safety factor. We are going to take it as 1.25 as per the page 30 in the IS 800. Then nominal shear strength is given by VNSP, that is equal to Fu by root 3 into Nn into Anb plus Ns into Asb. Then bearing strength of the bolt. The design bearing strength is equal to VDPB, that is equal to VNPB by gamma MB, where VNPB is given by 2.5 into KB into D into T into FU, where KB is given by E by 3D naught or P by 3D naught minus 0.25 or FUB by FU or 1. We need to take the least value, which we already discussed. Then let us start with the numericals now. Example 1. Determine the strength of the bolt or bolt value used in lap joint as shown in figure. Use M16 bolt with property class 4.6 and strength of the plate is 410 Newton per mm square. Your first step is read the problem and gather the data. Here it is a which type of joint it is? Lap joint. What we need to find out? Bolt value. they have given M16 bolts, that is diameter of the bolt is 16 mm, then property class 4.6, then ultimate stress of the bolt, tensile stress of the bolt is given by 4 into 100 400, and strength of the plate is 410 Newton per mm square. Sometimes this strength of the plate will not be given, but you should know strength of the plate will always 410 Newton per mm square. Okay. Then the diagram is given in the question itself. Here the plate is given, the bolts are provided, edge distance and pitch distance is provided, and the lap joint is shown. Two plates are there of different thickness 8 and 10 mm. Then first gather the data, like M16 bolt, that is nothing but D is equal to 16, then D naught is equal to 16 plus 2, where 2 is the wall allowance 18 mm, then edge distance, pitch distance is given, then property class 4.6, that is nothing but ultimate tensile stress is equal to 4 into 100, that is 400 Newton per mm square, and ultimate tensile strength of the plate 410 Newton per mm square. Just we read the problem and gathered the data. Then shear strength of the, as per the procedure we calculated D, we wrote the D, then we calculated D naught, then T we are going to take it later. Then first step is shear strength. Then which type of joint it is? Lap joint. The first problem is lap joint. Therefore, NN is equal to 0. So, A and B is equal to 0. NS is equal to 1. ASB is equal to pi by 4 into D square, where NN is equal to 0. Therefore, A and B is equal to 0 and NS is equal to 1, that is number of planes without thread 1, number of planes with the thread will be 0. Therefore, ASP is given by NN is equal to 0, NS is equal to 1, A and B is equal to 0, ASB is given by pi d square by 4, diameter is 16. So, you are going to get 201.6 millimeter square. Then once you calculated that one, then we need to calculate VNSP, VDSP. The formula is here. VNSP is given by FU by root 3 into NN into A and B plus NS into ASB. NN is 0, so it will become 0. Substitute these values. FU is 400 by root 3 into 0 plus NS is 1, ASB is 201.6. So, you are going to get 46.55 into 10 power 3 Newton. Then design shear strength, that is VDSP is given by VNSP by gamma MB. VDSP divided by gamma MB is 1.25. You are going to get it as 37.24 into 10 power 3 Newton or 37.24 kilonewton. Then second step is bearing strength of the bolt. First we need to calculate KB. It is the smaller of 4 values are there. First E by 3 D naught. E is 30, D naught is 18, E is nothing but edge distance, D naught is nothing but diameter of the hole. So, 0.56, then P by 3 D naught minus 0.25, P is the pitch distance, D is the diameter of the hole, substitute, you are going to get it as 0.67. Then FUB by FU, that is ultimate tensile stress of the bolt, it is 400, and FU is the ultimate tensile stress of the plate. Plate is always 410. So, 0.97 or 1. So, we got the 4 values. Out of 4 values, we need to take the least value. Least value is 0.56. Therefore, KB is equal to 0.56. Then, nominal bearing strength of the bolt is given by, we have the formula VNPB is equal to 2.5 into KB into D into T into FU. 2.5 into KB, that is 0.56, the least value. Then D is nothing but diameter of the bolt 16. Then T is nothing but that is the least plate thickness. In the given problem, there are two thicknesses 8 and 10. We need to take the least value, that is 8. Then Fu is nothing but ultimate tensile strength of the bolt, that is 400. So you are going to get 71.68 into 10 power 3 Newton. Then design bearing strength of the plate bolt is given by VDPB, that is equal to VNPB by gamma MB. VNPB we calculated, substitute, gamma MB is partial safety factor, it is constant 1.25. You will get it as 57.34 kilonewton. Second step is over. Then what we need to find out ultimately? Bolt value. Therefore, bolt value or the strength of the bolt is the least of above 2 steps, that is least of above the 2 value. The least value is 37.24 kilonewton, that becomes the bolt value. Then we will move on to the second problem. Determine the bolt value for the shown butt joint using M20 and property class 5.6 bolts. The diagram is given. Here we can see the main plates of 10 mm thick and the cover plate of 6 mm thickness. First read the problem and gather the data. Here it is M20 bolt, nothing but diameter of the D is equal to 20 mm, then D naught is equal to 20 plus 2, that is 22 mm. Then property class is given as 5.6, that is nothing but Fu is 5 into 100, 500. Then thickness, if we come to the thickness, it is the least value. In butt joint, sum of the cover plate thickness and main plate thickness, whichever is least we need to take. Sum of the plate thickness is, in the problem, these two are cover plates, sum of these two cover plate is 6 plus 6, 12 mm, and the main plate thickness is 10 mm. Which one is least value, 12 mm or 10 mm? So 10 mm. So 6 plus 6, 12 mm cover plate and 10 mm main plate. We need to take the least value, that is T will become 10 mm. Then first calculate shear strength. Assume that in case of the butt joint, Nn is equal to 1, Ns is equal to 1, A and B is given by pi by 4 into D minus 0.9382 P whole square, ASB is given by pi D square by 4. So Nn is equal to 1, Ns is equal to 1, ASB is given by pi D square by 4, where D is the diameter of the bolt. Then A and B net shear area at the thread is given by pi by 4 into D minus 0.9382 P whole square, where P is the pitch of the thread. Pitch of the thread is 2. We are going to take pitch of the thread as 2. So it will become 258 mm square. Then nominal shear strength is given by Fu by root 3 into this formula, substitute. Therefore, you are going to get it as 165.16 kilonewton. Once you get VNSP, then calculate VDSP. You are going to get it as 132.13 kilonewton. First step is over. Second step, calculate bearing strength. First of all, calculate KB value. It has got 4 values. Calculate. The first value is E by 3D naught. Do you know the edge distance in the given problem? This is the problem. Whether the edge distance and the pitch distances are given, bolt arrangement is provided? No. So since edge distance is not known and pitch distance is not known, these two formulas are not applicable. Then we will check out with another two formulas. So another formula is FUB by FU. FUB by FU. FUB is given as is given in the problem as 1 minute. It is property class 5.6. So FUB is 500, and FU for plate ultimate stress is 410, you are going to get it as 1.22. Then next fourth formula is 1. So we need to take the least value. The least value is 1. Therefore, bearing strength of the bolt is given by 2.5 into Kb into D into T into Fu. 2.5 into Kb is 1, diameter of the bolt is 20, then thickness we need to take the least value, we already calculated, that is 10, Fu is 500, so we are going to get it as 250 kilonewton. Then design strength, that is VDPB is given by VNPB by gamma MB, substitute the values, you are going to get 200 kilonewton. We calculated the shearing strength as well as bearing strength, shear strength and bearing strength, and the bolt value will be least of these two. The least of these two is 132.13 kilonewton, so that will become the bolt value. That's all for this session. In this session we covered type 1 problems, that is regarding determination of bolt value. Thank you.